Doon meron isang ani. Sige na.
Huwag niyong makalimutan yung video na.
May isa pang landscape.
Landscape, yeah.
Ma'am JL, naka-landscape. Landscape yung
Ako naka-landscape mula kanina.
Eh, si Ma'am C.
Parang masarap yung sa'yo.
Actually, ito masarap yung ano niya.
Ayun na. Make your wish. Make your wish. Make your wish. Kanta na tayo, guys. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow. Tanda na mag-blow. Oh, kanina naman.
1, 2, 3, smile. Saba po. Kita yung braso mo kahit maliit ka, kita ang braso mo. So, yun na, usog pa. 1, 2, 3, smile. Cake. Get your cake.
Happy birthday to you.
Doc, ano gusto mo? Ano gusto mo, Doc?
What do you want, Doc? So, carrot.
Okay.
I-choice ko na.
Oh, light na natin.
Ano ba? Sabi sa'yo yung pizza, eh. Sa'yo yung pizza. Wala pa sila. Huwag ka gumalaw.
Ito po yung prepare na gift namin sa Saturday QA dun sa mga celebrant. So, yung first po is kami. Ito po yung kanyang bag. Kasi bayaran na lang po ng dito po yung resito. King Rose po. Ay, ayaw mo! Okay lang naman sa magkano naman tayo. Kay Doc Richard. Kay Lori. So, Doc, ano? With somebody. Ano, person pa lang po yung gift namin. Pakilok. Dito ko nung picture ka sa Double J. Maka-open na. Wala na si June. Okay, yung gift namin kay Ma'am Abis. So, wag po yung napili namin kasi wala pang mahilig ka daw sa mga girl.
Party ka.
Girl, hindi mo kasi pagkalapatok na daw. Team Rose is, yours is. Kasi gusto ko rin. Jeans? Sabi na nga. So, don't worry, hindi po umabot yung sakto birthday niyo po dadating. Kay Doc Richard. Doc, kayo sino ha? Sinukat pa namin. Yung salamin. Salamin. Doc, dahil salamin yan. Pakisayo po yung salamin. Nakiwagan salamin. Dahil pala nito. Dapat shaker yan, Doc. Kasi di ba nasira din yung shaker mo? Hindi nito ako. Kaya, pumili na kami ng...
Dapat may tutorial ng salamin dito, ha?
Doc!
Sarap ka na.
Doc, nakabasa na po ba yung...
Pass me by, 'cause you love buy stuff before we check in. So we need to buy.
Let's see.
What's that?
For John Paul.
For JP.
Yeah. Then for
Pepsi Zero.
Ate.
He wants Coke Zero.
Oh no. No, that's for the hotel. Because I'm sure he's gonna get.
Alright. So ang binila ni Bella is yung hotel. Super dry. Ay, wala. You know, I have a lot of things already. Except we don't need it. All food. So we are going to the nuts section. Nuts, hindi yata ito nuts. This is yung nuts section. Nuts, yan. So we have to choose from Ding Dong. Oh no, ang dami ko nito. Milk in the house. Oh, mix. So this is corn. That's a sardine. So that is all. Puro food. Happy birthday to me. So since we had to do grocery, the Escalonas were already at the Westin, waiting at the lobby. This is the bulgogi and this is the chicken inisal na kalahati lang. Ito mga kasama ko. Oh. Say hi to my vlog. Dali! Bulgogi team na ako ngayon. Please. Ito, Nick.
Kailangan yung bulgogi.
Ano?
This is the best vlog coming from Mandaluyong. So, you better subscribe and share. You won't regret it.
Kamag-anak. Yan na. Yan na ang coffee. Tita Shelo may dalang coffee. Umorder kami sa Candy Cafe. Pala Candy. Candid. Candid Cafe. So I ordered toffee nut latte. Nandito kami sa Westin. Bumalik na uli kami after our last visit. Open your...
Open the door. Ay, come here. Dito muna kayo. Oh, dito kami.
Yeah.
Ay, ganda. Dito muna kayo.
It's my time to shine.
Oh, you open
Pwede
the
kang
door.
tumili.
Kailangan
Kailangan ba ng audience iba?
Ay na, scan ko na. Okay, open.
May ano dito? Wow, that's so cute. What's this?
We don't know also.
With a cake. Yeah. May tumatawag pa.
You open the ano muna.
You open this one.
You open that first.
Oh wow, happy birthday, Mom.
Success!
Happy birthday mo. So cute.
This is so cute, though.
You can eat it.
I guess so.
You can eat it.
And we have a cake! We have a cake.
Yeah, cake in the bed. Sama ko. Si Shelo is back from Canada. And then si Isabella and si Ata. We're going to the lounge.
Maraming lounge tong hotel.
Oo nga. Nakakalito. Mga apat. They're going down. Oh, I know this kid.
You're going familiar. We know you.
Kaya nga punta, sama ko sa amin. Oh, yeah. We're having high tea.
So we're here now inside the elevator.
With cake.
So after having our candid coffee, we're having the cappuccino at the executive lounge. Wow, so siya. Siya naman, naka-executive lounge tayo. What did you order siya? Mocha? Ah, just black coffee. Yeah. Siya was having black coffee. Kasi, yes. Gusto ko ng hot.
Iced tea yung mga na-order natin.
So you get coffee, tea, and some snacks at the club during tea time. So this is what we're having. Pan de coco. Chocolate. What's this? Chocolate chip cookie and nuts. Michelle's having crinkles.
I like the
Chocolate chip,
crinkles.
chocolate
I think
bar.
I'm gonna go back for
Pan de coco.
crinkles.
I believe. Let's cheese blend. Hello everyone. So we're here at Westin Hotel again. We're back here with Sina Shelo and Sina Nick and their family. They're going to celebrate my birthday here. And so I hope you watch my vlog until the end. So we'll start this vlog by a room tour. You've seen this in my past vlog already, but we'll just do a short room tour because the hotel has prepared something for me, being the celebrant for this check-in. So when I opened the door, this is what greeted me. Oh, it was a towel art. It's a cake and yan, siguro that's the celebrant. And then they've also prepared something. It's a cake made of, yan, it's a cheesecake. And it says, "Happy birthday, Mom." So it has a message. I'll try to taste it later. So, yan. So we're here again for 2 days. I'm so excited this time because I'm going to celebrate my birthday here at Westin. So kanina, I've already showed when we got here, we ate lunch first. And then, we went to the lounge and had tea. So this is the mirror. Ayan yung floor length mirror. And then this is where the cabinets are. Open cabinets with hangers. You have the robe. So one lang, baka the other one is inside the CR. So we've done this tour before. So we have your iron and ironing board. And some of our stuff, there's a drawer there for, it's a drawer space for your clothes. Here then, see, for your shoes then, space for your shoes. And this is the drawer. So yan, wala pang laman. Here's your safe. And puno na ng gamit namin. So you have your flashlight. And yan. Ayan, if you need assistance for your luggage, you just press this. So this is the key card slot. And this is the light for the foyer. So let's see. Yan. So, and then you have your fire exit. This is where we are. We are at room 1609. Then you have an artwork here. And then your kettle and your coffee maker. It's like an espresso coffee maker. And then you have your, the ref, the tea, Ceylon. It's different this time. Earl Grey, pure green tea, your Splenda, your sugar, your brown sugar. Yan. More drawers. Some more drawers. This is your ref. Yan. May nauna na. So there's soda, Pepsi, Zero, Vida, Mountain Dew, and San Miguel beer. Yay! So again, 2 twin beds. Yan, ganda ng towel, artsy. Twin beds, parang walang ilaw. And then the TV, where you will have access on the television, channel guide, hotel services, internet, and if you want to connect your device here so that you have a bigger monitor, you can do so. Here's where you can work. Also, this is a work table and a dining table as well, or a coffee table. There's another chair, pull out chair from under. There's a working chair there. 2 twin beds. Let's open the light. Parang this is for the powder room. Vanity. Bathtub. Okay. So the switch for the light is not there. It's here. Let's open it. Buksan natin lahat. Yan na lang. So you have US. You have US sockets here. And USB socket here. And the light switch. You have an alarm clock. And you're free. A lavender balm. So I'll give it to my daughters na. Kasi yung first check-in, ako nang nag-confiscate. And then, this is the phone. If you want to have emergency service, you just dial 0 and it connects to all of their departments. The remote for your TV. This is the the side table is in the middle pala. So, yan yung table. In between the 2 beds, this is your night lamp. Yan. We are facing the amenities, I think. Ay, hindi. Oh, yeah. Facing the amenities, but we are on the 16th floor, kaya hindi natin makita. Hindi as there. And maybe later, it would be a nicer view. Paggabi na. So, you have your sheer curtains and your blackout curtains on the side. Yan. And then you have your lamp. Favorite ko tong lamp na to. But, yan. Ganun lang. And what else? Siyempre, naiwanan kong bukas. Yung cabinet door. Diba? Going to my favorite part of the hotel is the CR. The toilet bowl is here with the bidet, toilet dispenser, and trash bin. There's 2 toilet paper dispenser. There's an artwork here. There's a towel hanger. Ano nga natin? Hand towel ba to? So, very soft yung hand towel. There's soap. And there's a small sink here. Ganda. So, syempre, nauna na si Bella. Nakalatag na yung toiletries niya. So, that's a tissue paper dispenser or facial tissue dispenser. You have 3 hand towels. You have yan yun. White tea, body lotion. You're given 2. And then you have your glass and water, free water. Shower cup. Vanity kit. And 2 dental kits. Then another free soap here, your sink. And then you have your mirror. Ano ba itong mga to? There's a US socket here and a USB socket here. Ano ba to? Hindi na natin yan ito-touch. This is for your makeup. Magme-makeup ka. Yan. Hello, vlog. Ayan yung isang bathroom. And then your towels are here. One, I think this is a floor towel. Kasi ito yung mga bath towels and your face towel. This one is your hand towels. And then, going to the bathtub. Ay, salamat. Yan na, meron na siyang, ano tawag yan? Blinds. That's the rain shower action. And then there's a handheld, but it's a mini rain shower as well. You know. Your shower fixtures, your bathtub fixtures, and then you have white tea shampoo, conditioner, and your baby body wash, parang bago ng bago. So yun na, that's the end of my room tour. That's it. So this greeted me when I entered my room. Oh, yan na. May hair pala siya. Ang cute. It's really a debutante. Celebration. Ito. Ang cute. Thank you to housekeeping or whoever is responsible for the towel art during our check-in. So, I'm already devouring the cheesecake. Masarap siya. It's not just a cheesecake. This is really good. So, I was able to finish a spoonful of this cheesecake and it's good.
60.
So we're here already. So we are now opening the cake that was given to me by Dr. Judy from Purple Oven. It's a rustic chocolate tort. Happy birthday to me. Thank you, Dr. Judy. Yahoo! Sarap! Okay, kain na. Cut the cake, cut the cake. Here. Cut the cake, cut the cake. Oh, super sarap yan. Yan, ang sarap. I can feel it already. It's so good. Wala tayong cutleries. There's none, no? Kaki. I like the way that they handle security here. It's very,
Comforting.
Oh, it's comforting that you're really safe. They really screen everybody. And even the bags are being scanned. Oh, gano'n naman sa ibang hotel, but wala, gusto ko lang talaga. Sarap. Thank you. These are their cakes. This is what they gave me. The one in the room.
Those are accurate.
So we are here in the lounge. What will you say to my vlog?
Hello.
Ate Karu, hello.
Hello.
And Maisha. And this is our first order, coffee. And this girl ordered margarita
Okay.
with free peanuts.
Yes.
And we are playing Telestration. And there's another girl there. Of course, studying again, as usual. Hello, Ata. Say hi to my vlog. Mushroom tartufo, fettuccine, and what's the other one? Sisig bites.
Yes.
And then there is crispy squid and French fries. This is the crispy calamari. You have to squeeze lemon on the calamari, and then they order fries. Then that's the sisig bites and the mushroom tartufo. Hello everyone! Tapos na kaagad ang first day namin dito sa hotel. So ang bilis, but nag-enjoy kami kasi sama ko nga yung sister ko. And I think matatagalan ulit bago sila bumalik dito. So nag-enjoy naman ako kasi andito sila. And simula kanina umaga hanggang ngayon di kami umalis sa hotel. So sulit naman. We enjoyed the lobby. And in this check-in, we availed of the pass, yung access pass to the club or the executive lounge. So, that's 2,000 additional per day. Tapos, for 2 days, so magiging 4,000 plus. But sulit naman kasi that's free snacks sa executive lounge for the entire day until 10 p.m. And then, merong afternoon tea, and then cocktails and hors d'oeuvres. So, sulit. Plus, when we went to the lounge, we were also able to avail 20% off. Plus, you gain points in your Marriott Bonvoy membership. So, nag-enjoy naman ako. So, today, ang gagawin namin is taps na, which means matutulog na. Ang gagawin ko lang ay mamask. Nagdala ulit ako ng mask. And, yun na, maliligo. And then, bukas na ulit, we'll have the buffet breakfast at the seasonal tastes. Not sure. So, dun kami tomorrow. And then, baka lalabas ng sandali. Parang pag nandito kasi lahat ng mga nakakalimutan mo, parang gusto mong bilhin para nang sa ganun makomplete yung experience. Like, may mga maliit-liit kaming hindi nadala. So, feeling mo parang gusto mong kunin or bilhin sa labas. But before we went here, nag-grocery na kami. We bought fruits, chips, soft drinks para hindi namin magamit yung mga nandyan sa may ref. And also, we bought cheese roll. Gusto namin yung cheese roll ng Mary Grace. And dinala ko yung cake na binigay ni Dr. Judy from Purple Oven. Gusto ko yung binigay niyang cake. Masarap yung rustic chocolate tart. Tama, no? Sana na-pronounce ko na maayos at hindi ko kinatay ang pangalan ng cake. So, nag-enjoy kami. Happy, sobrang happy. So, bukas talaga yung birthday ko. Nagpapanggap lang ako na birthday ako ngayon. So, thank you sa mga bumati. And I hope you watch this vlog until the end. Hanggang July 1 pa kami dito. So, bukas talaga yung birthday ko. So, see you. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye. So, I featured the breakfast buffet spread in my past Westin vlog. So, that's my first and this is my second plate. And then, afterwards, we went up, had cake, and also had coffee inside the room lang. Second day, almost done. We went to SM, no? Mali.
You picked me up for my exam.
Yeah, second day na. We had buffet, breakfast. I'll show you my plates. And then we had to pick up si Erica. Spent a little time here inside the room before picking her up. And then went home to get some stuff. And then went to SM to eat at Modern Shanghai for lunch. And then we went to Mass with the Escalonas. And then bought some stuff again. And now we're back to the hotel. We're going to swim. And watch. And play Switch. And what else? Visit the executive lounge for the hors d'oeuvres and cocktails. And then last night na. Tomorrow we're checking out. Yahoo! So happy birthday to me. Last night and last hurrah. So we'll bring you to the swimming pool in a while. Unable to swim, umulan ng malakas nung pumunta kami dun. So natulog na lang ako and ngayon nagising na. So lumabas sila to bring Kirk to the house and back. Andyan na sila, papark na sila sa baba. So, ako nagsusolitaryo and catching up on some work and then matutulog na. So, bukas, magbo-buffet ulit. Hopefully, we'll still be able to swim before we check out. We'll request for a late checkout tomorrow. Hindi pa kami naka-swimming. So, mamaya, sana bukas matuloy na kami mag-swimming. And to use the gym. Ganda yung gym nila. Bago yung mga gamit. And yan. Also to use the executive lounge or yung club kasi may pass kami. Comes with the extra 2,000 that we paid for each room. When you pay an additional 2,000, you get free 2-person to get to the buffet breakfast and access to the club lounge for all snacks until 10. Cocktails, hors d'oeuvres, and tea. There's tea from 5:30 to 7. Parang ganyan. They'll give you all the amenities that you can avail if you paid an additional 2,000 per room. Kasi pala the price that we paid for mga 10 plus lang is just to pay for the room. Wala siyang buffet breakfast. So we just added 2,000 per room per day to be able to avail of the free buffet breakfast for 2 per day. And then they also have this promo na every 2, minimum 2 when you go for breakfast, which is inclusive already in your the 2,000 that you paid for per room. In addition to that, any additional person 999 na lang instead of 1,800 per head. So it's half the price. So that's their promo for this. I think, I'm not sure if it's only up to yesterday. We'll see if it's still, it's up to July 31. You'll see it when you enter, parang fina-flash nila sa parang TV na any additional minimum of 2, 999 na lang. So naligo na ako, no makeup, naligo lang. And yan, waiting for the girls kasi they had to bring si Kirk home. Ang sabi nila paparking na sila, but siguro pupunta sila sa lounge because merong kumakanta ulit and iba yung kumakanta. Parang maganda yung numbers niya kanina when we passed by going to the elevator. Baka nagpunta doon kasi wala pa sila eh. But when I called, sabi nila they're already parking. So yun. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Ate.
Morning.
We are off to breakfast. Yay! Yan, walang makeup. Kagigising. Wow, I woke up like this. Diyos ko po. Ang tagal. Magbukas ang mga eskalona. Baba na kami. We're going to the seasonal taste where the buffet breakfast will be served. Ate Erica, what is this?
It's a one dish wonder.
One dish wonder.
It's the Gravlax salmon toast.
It's the salmon toast. Ah, there. Wow. Exotic. You have to order this.
Yeah. Wag na. Okay na yun.
Hindi nagaya si daddy mo.
Ito pala salmon
Nagaya
yan.
ko si daddy.
Ganyan ba pagkain ng
Croque
dati?
de sal. Croque de sal. Kusino
Yeah.
pala siya.
It's a pork casino with betsona gruyere and sunny side up. But there's no sunny side up. Or maybe that's the sunny.
Ikaw na lang yung sunny side up.
Pag po yung gagamitin mo, lugi ka. 20 kgs yun.
6,000 round trip lang. Nakamura na ako.
Thank you.
I'm sorry? I have to follow.
So here, Isabella and I have already finished our breakfast. We're missing the kids in Nakasuri, JP and Maisha. They're all sleeping pa. So we're actually seated opposite San Miguel Avenue. Hello everyone! So tapos na kami breakfast buffet sa seasonal tastes. Oo. So masarap yung food as usual. Nag-enjoy kami. I think nag-enjoy ako today. No pressure, konti lang tao. Because it's a Monday. And I've decided not to go to the pool. No more swimming na because I want to enjoy the room. Last tour na namin to. So, I'm just here to close my vlog once again. Baka malimutan ko na naman as usual. Mahilig akong makalimot sa pag-close ng vlog. So, today, babay na ito. Thank you for the Escalonas and my children, Erica, Isabella, and Kirk for making everything possible. Thank you. Thank you so much. Nag-enjoy ako sa birthday ko. Sa susunod ulit, I hope to be back again at Westin for another celebration very soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next vlogs. And if you haven't already, please click like and subscribe and share. Thank you.